What's going on, guys? So I want to share this tips what I did on this smart. It's a 2010. I'm doing the thermostat now on this one. Hold on, let me get this thing off. Okay, so I'm doing the thermostat now on this one, and but it's just kind of hard to get the whole to find that thermostat around me. So I decided to just replace the thermostat itself, which is this is the old one. This is the old one with the little thing on top of it. So this is the only one that I find already. I can't find the whole thing around me, the whole housing and stuff. I know it's better to do it, but I decided to replace just the thermostat. And I wanna share what exactly I did on this one. So I got a jack on there, a small jack holding it in there. You see it right there, holding the engine. And then I just removed the motor mount. See, I got the mount right here. And I used the, I believe it's the E8, I think. E12, E14 on this ones to get the mounts, and 17s on this side, which is this one's right here. Let me show you where they at. Can't find those, but oh, this one's right here. 17s on this side, on each side. So the other thing that I got and I have to do it, I dropped it a little bit, but I have to remove my belts on the AC and the in the alternator. I removed that belt, and I removed the alternator because they was on the way of the thermostat. And the other thing that I got to do is I remove the intake, like you see right here. I dropped the engine, removed the alternator. I removed the belt first. I dropped the engine, and then removed the alternator, and then removed the intake, and I just move it to the side. And I had to remove these bolts, the bolts for the bracket over here, and there is another one round down here. I removed those, so I got enough room. And another bolt, I removed the 10 millimeters right here behind of this housing is right here. And I removed another one. I don't know if you can see that one right there, which is a bracket that hold the housing for the thermostat. And then another 10 right here, which is hold the housing of the water outlet right here from the water pump. And then I remove my thermostat. I already got it in here, but if you see right there, the other thermostat, it goes just push in. Let me see if I got the paperwork over here. The thermostat that I have, it shows how you get the old one out. Let me see this one. My side right there. Yeah, and then it shows how the other one goes. So it's easy. The only thing that is gonna be kind of hard is just get this one out, but what it helps is you see this end right here, I just twist it a little bit to make it flat on both sides. See right there? Let me see if I can get that. See right there? I got it flat, and then I turn it, and that's how I pop the whole thing. To put it back, it was not that hard. I just like the spring in there with the little flat thing, and then push in and twist it. Just put them in sideways and then twist it and goes in. And then it comes with the seal right here on the housing. And what else I did? Remove the injectors. Injectors right here. It's not that hard, but it's not that. It won't take that long. Now I just have to put everything back in place. I'm gonna lift the part number just in case you just want to replace the thermostat, not the whole housing. So I did this way for now, and because I had no option. So If you have any question, guys, just leave in the comments, and I should do my best to help you out, you know, and so you can fix your car too. All right, guys, remember, time is short, don't waste it. Peace.